Ama Opari from Food for the Soul. Eating healthy means replacing processed food and fast food with your own homemade meals. Do you ever struggle with how to cut into or open or get into the goodness of, say, an avocado? Well, today I'll show you the way that I've discovered is an easy way to get at the green, creamy, smooth deliciousness of an avocado. Place the avocado on your cutting board and cut through with a knife until you hit the pit. Run the knife all the way around lengthwise until you reach where you first started. Then take the avocado and twist it in opposite directions along the cut until you can just pull it apart. Take your knife and slice through to the inside of the skin. Careful not to go all the way through. For slices, you'll just go lengthwise like this. If you want cubes, then go again the other direction, making as many cuts as you need to get the size of cubes that you'd like. And take a spoon and slide it between the flesh and the skin, keeping the back of the spoon connected to the skin at all times so that you will get as much of the flesh out as possible. To remove the pit, tap it with the knife firmly to embed the knife, and then twist the knife to dislodge the pit. Then continue on with your slicing. If you'd like to have it unsliced, for instance an avocado boat, you can just scoop it out with the spoon as you did before, and you will have a beautiful avocado boat to fill with your pate or whatever you'd like. Scoop it out and you'll have gorgeous avocado to use for your salads, for your guacamole, to top your chili, put on your pizza, or whatever your recipe calls for. Tasty. Did you like this video? If you're of African descent and are a vegetarian or interested in learning more about vegetarianism, come on over to foodforthesoul.opari.net, where you'll find videos, recipes, online training, and a community of others just like you. Just click the link in the description box below and we'll see you over at Food for the Soul. I'm Ama Opari, wishing you a delicious day.